Hello friends, welcome to Code with Kartiki. So today we are going to see how to invoke Python interpreter on Windows command line. Here I have one folder, Python practice folder, and in this folder I have two files. So in this folder I'm going to open Windows command line and we will see how to invoke Python interpreter on Windows command line. First we need to open CMD in this folder. So here I am giving CMD command shortcut I am giving and press enter. So it will open this CMD in this folder. So this is Windows command line we have open. Now I want to invoke Python interpreter here. So you have to give here, write here Python and press enter. Right. So now here Python interpreter is invoked. Now it will work as a IPython, interactive Python. Already we know that how to use IPython. The same way you have to use IPython here. So I am giving here print hello world. Press enter. So hello world output I got. For example, I have num1, 20, num2 equal to 40. Then I want to do addition of these two, num2. So I got 60, right? Means here IPython we can use, right? So now in this way you can invoke Python interpreter on command line. You have to give here Python command. So you want to exit from this, you have to write here exit and brackets and press enter, right? So in this way you can invoke here Python interpreter and you can use here interactive Python. Now what you want to do, you want to run any file using this command line Python file. Now we will see how to run any Python file using CMD. So this is the Python practice folder. Now I will open here CMD. So CMD I am giving here shortcut and press enter. Now it has opened CMD, right? So now I will give here dir command and press enter. So it is giving files available in this folder hello world.py, test.py. So I will run this hello world.py. So how to invoke Python interpreter? First we have to give Python command, then name of the file, that is hello world.py. So now here we are running file, that's why after Python command we have to give name of that file. Then you have to give name of the file. So first two character I have taken and press enter. So automatically it will take tab I have pressed and automatically it will take complete file name and I have pressed enter, right? So now this code has run from this file and it has printed hello world on the console. So whenever you want to run Python file on command line, you have to give this Python command and hello world.py. So with this Python command, Python exe will get executed here, and after this Python file will get, means when you are giving Python command here, so Python exe will get called, and after this hello world.py, so using this Python, this file will get executed and you will get output. So in this way you can invoke Python interpreter on command line. If you like the content of my channel, please subscribe and press bell icon to get notification. Thanks for watching the video, and if you have any doubt you can comment below.